How to delete EA account on PC. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your EA account from PC. So first of all, you have to open a new web browser tab and search for EA, and you have to click on official website of the EA, and you make sure you are logged into your account. And after coming to here, you have to just scroll down and search for the option help. You have to click on here, and after clicking on the help menu, you have to click on game support, and as you can see there's an option called EA account. You have to click on here, and after clicking on the EA account, as you can see there are multiple topics and all, and you just have to type delete account on the search bar, and click on enter. And after clicking on enter, there are suggested topics like I want to delete my EA account, delete my EA forums account, EA my mobile account. You just have to click on I want to delete my EA account, and after that you have to re-log in to your EA account from here. And after clicking on to the login topic, you just have to wait and see what an option that is called chat with us. You just have to click on chat now, and after that they want you to select your console, the device you are using your EA account from. I'll just select PC and click on next. After clicking on next, you have to give your first name, last name, email address, and the subject, and you can also add an attachment about explaining why you want to delete the EA account, and they will contact you as soon as they get the attachment and they are available. And after that they will discuss and show you the way how you can delete the EA account, and it's simple method and simple as that. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.